Hi viewers, I'm Vanuja K.S., working as an assistant professor of English in Government First State College, Konigal. In this video, I'm taking up The Pulley, written by George Herbert, which has been prescribed for the third semester BA, BSc, BFA and BBA students of Tumkur University. The session is 10. George Herbert was a devotional lyricist. He holds an important position in Cambridge University. The Pulley is a poem published as The Gifts of God in Herbert's 1633 collection, The Temple. It is a religious poem showing two-way relationship between God and worshippers. It is a poem about a human soul which is compared to a pulley. Pulley is used as a prime conceit or a metaphor to understand God's purpose in creating human beings. It is a 20-line poem divided into 4 quatrains. The rhyming scheme of each quatrain is A B A B A. The special feature of the poem is that it is full of imagery. Many lines create images in our mind. The language is very simple with a varied of figures of speech. Let us recite the poem. When God at first made man, having a glass of blessings standing by, let us, said he, pour on him all we can. Let the world's riches, which dispersed lie, contract into a span. So strength first made a way, then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. When almost all was out, God made a stay, perceiving that alone of all his treasure, rest in the bottom lay. For if I should, said he, bestow this jewel also on my creature, he would adore my gifts instead of me, and rest in nature, not the God of nature, so both should losers be. Yet let him keep the rest, but keep them with a repining restlessness. Let him be rich and weary, that at least, if goodness lead him not, yet weariness may toss him to my breast. This is the poem. Now let's appreciate the poem. The poem by George Herbert is a religious metaphysical poem which is based on the concept of pulling. In the first stanza, the speaker begins by describing the creation of humankind. After God created the universe, he gathered all the blessings of the world in a glass cup and distributed them to the human beings one after another. First, he gave the strength, therefore, human became strong enough to survive. One by one, God gave them the beauty, wisdom, honor, pleasure, and many other blessings. When almost all was gone, he stopped when the time came to give rest. He knew that if humans were bestowed with rest, they would never try to find the creator of them, but could be bound to his creation. So, God uses the pulley of restlessness to make them his worshippers. The poem unveils the truth that why human beings are so restless and unsatisfying despite having all the things he wants. God knows the man is by birth prone to lethargy. They will get rest at the cost of progress. Progress and the rest never come together. We get one losing the other. God is sure that man will only prize the things God has given to them, not the God himself. Mankind will lose the essence, get tired, and wander in search of rest. It is ideal for everyone to rest only until they feel restless. Then they should get back to their lives. God believes that if there is weariness in one's everyday life, then that feeling of exhaustion will toss humankind to his breast. Weariness takes human beings to the shadow of God, so the God decides to keep the mankind away from the rest so as to make him feel the eternal rest can only be found in God. For the sake of the rest, at least man will remember to God and go to him for his love and rest. It is in his weariness then that man will realize his imperfections and his need for God and the spiritual life. Then he will reach for God's pulley and seek heaven. This is the appreciation of the poem. And now let's learn about the MCQs. On whom did God pour the world's riches on? It is man. What blessings did God withhold from human beings? Rest. What is pulley? It is a device to lift things. The pulley demonstrates the relationship between dash and dash, man and God. Who acts as a leverage to draw mankind towards him? God. Name the first gift received by man in the pulley. Strength. Which was the second gift received by man in the pulley? Beauty. The third gift given to man by God is dash, wisdom. The pulley is a poem published as dash, the gifts of God. The rhyme scheme of the poem, the pulley is dash, A B A B A. Thank you.